The circumcenter of a triangle is a point that is equally distant from every corner of the triangle. To calculate this from a set of points, choose two lines of your triangle and turn these into standard form linear equations. For this, first I calculate how much x and y changed and call these values delta x and delta y. The a value will be equal to delta y, while b will be equal to negative delta x. For c, choose any point on the line and replace x and y with its values. Next, we find our line's middle points, and for each line, I create a perpendicular line crossing through this middle point. To get this line's equation, I simply use minus b as the new a and a as the new b. To get the c value, we replace x and y with our line's known point. Once we have both perpendicular line equations, we can find their crossing points x and y by using Cramer's rule on them. What this basically does is isolate x by multiplying the first equation by b1 and the second by b2, then subtracting them. This will effectively eliminate the y part of our equation since we will be subtracting two equal values. Then we simply solve the resulting equation for x. A similar process is used to find y, except we multiply the equations by a1 and a2. The resulting x and y values are the values of our triangle's circumcenter. To find the radius of its circumcircle, simply find the distance from this point to any of the triangle vertices.
Disclaimer alert, I don't fully know what I'm talking about.